one.
Hi everyone, this is the operational video for how to use manual mode on the D&G Mori DMU50 5-axis CNC machine. So if we come over to the controller, we can see we already have a lot of these modes labeled. So specifically to enter manual mode, you'll hit this button right here. We're in manual mode. Sometimes if there's like an error or something, you'll hit the reset key, which is down here. It'll clear whatever error is present, and we can control where the spindle head is using any of these arrow keys up here. So this controls the, I believe, the Z. So this controls the Z. The diagonals control the Y. And then the left and right arrows control the X. Typically, once you first turn on the machine, there is a sequence you want to enable. So we'll move the spindle head into a position so that it can run the check. And we'll hold the door lock key. As you can see, it does all its PerlaSafe shut-off test paths. And now we're good to go. You can only use and move the spindle head once the door is locked. So if I lock the door, I can move the spindle head. If I try to move the spindle head while the door is unlocked, it'll give me an error and the spindle will not move at all. So you must remember the door must be locked in order to use the manual positioning.